If you're in China and can't read a single character, you're probably missing out on the best food. Stop guessing and start eating like a local. Today, I'm showing you the ultimate Dianping hack. How to use China's #1 food app in English, from grabbing insane deals to skipping the 2-hour lines. No Chinese? No problem. Let's get you fed. Alright, first things first. Let's get that English UI ready. You can do this before or after you sign up. The path is exactly the same. Look for the Settings button at the top right of the login screen. From there, find the menu called Language, or 多语言. It's usually the 4th option down. Tap that, select English, and hit Save. See? No more guessing games. Step 2. Sign up or log in. You can use your international phone number or WeChat, but here's a pro tip. Choose an account you can always access, so you don't lose your saved favorites or those hard-earned rewards when you switch phones. Step 3. Time for the fun part. Finding your first meal. On the home page, you can use the search bar at the top, or just tap the food categories to see what's buzzing. Here's a pro tip. English keywords actually work surprisingly well. Try searching for hot pot near me, brunch, or vegetarian. Once the results pop up, use the filters to narrow it down. You can see the star ratings, average price per person, distance from you, and even the number of reviews. I usually sort by rating or distance to find the absolute best hidden gems right around the corner. Step 4. Let's secure your seat. Once you've found a spot, look for buttons like Reserve or Queue right on the restaurant's page. You can pick your time and the number of people, or even grab a virtual queue number before you arrive to save time. Ready to go? Just copy the Chinese address into your map app, or hit the navigation button for the best route by taxi, metro, or walking. Then, let's talk about deals and free trials. From the home screen, find the free meal section to discover trial offers. When you find one you like, make sure to read the specific rules, like the date, time, and location, before tapping to enter. For the paid coupons or set menus you see here, always check the time limits and how to get a refund if you change your mind. Remember, these free trials are usually limited, so not everyone gets one, but it's always worth a shot. Finally, here is how to make Dianping work like your personal local concierge. First, don't just search and forget. Use the Save button to build your own food buckets. Whether it's must try in Xi'an or Friday date night, having a list ready will save you from that what should we eat argument later. Next, look for specific tags below the restaurant name. Is it family friendly, good for groups, or quiet? These tags tell you the vibe before you even step inside. And my biggest secret, don't trust the stars blindly. Always scroll down to the recent reviews and real customer photos. If you can't read the text, just use the in-app translate button or your phone's screenshot translator to see what locals are actually saying right now. And there you have it. From switching to English UI to snagging the best local deals, you're now officially ready to navigate China's food scene like a pro. Dianping is your ultimate secret weapon. So stop guessing and start exploring. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with your travel buddies, and save it for your next trip to China. Where are you eating first? Let me know in the comments below. Happy eating!